Hello, in this video we are going to look at more things that you can do with text. So we're now on our page where we imported a whole lot of text, and we're going to have to think, what else do I want to do with this page? And this is where some more of the magic comes in, because on the right we have what we call snippets. A little arrow will bring them in, and these are a variety of paragraphs and images and layouts that you can use to bring variety into your page. So for example, you might decide, well, at the top of the page I don't want that text, I want a picture with some text. So I can bring that in, and you'll notice that what I did was I brought it in, and as I crossed it over to the page, a grey bar appeared, and when I release the mouse with that grey bar, you'll find that that is where it will be. So let's have a look. Let's put it up there. I can put it up there. I can put it right down the bottom of the page. Let's put it there. There we are. So now I've added a couple of pictures on opposite sides of the page. I've got some text I can edit on there and there, and I need to be able to change the images to my images. So what we'll look at next is how you bring in images from your computer or from the file manager into your page. So let's save this, then we can come back to it and play with it again. And that's the end of this video.